Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download an offline route in Google Maps so you can navigate even without an internet connection. Let's begin. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, type your destination in the search bar, for example, your work, a friend's house, or a place you plan to visit. Once the route appears, tap on the place name at the bottom of your screen to open the details. Now, look at the top right corner and tap the three dots icon. From the menu that appears, select Download Offline Map. If you don't see that option, don't worry. Simply go back to the home screen of Google Maps, tap your profile picture at the top right, and select Offline Maps. Then tap Select Your Own Map. Use your fingers to adjust the area you want to save. Make sure it includes your route or the city you'll be traveling through. Once the map area is set, tap Download. Google Maps will start saving that area, including all the main roads, routes, and landmarks. When it's done, you'll be able to navigate without using data or Wi-Fi. To use it later, just open Google Maps. Normally, it will automatically switch to offline mode if your connection is poor. And that's it! You now know how to download an offline route on Google Maps and never get lost again, even without the internet. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more helpful tech tips.